Here I have POCO C50, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, then go to the factory reset, select erase all data, tap factory reset, then you have 10 seconds to get to know with all this information. Tap next, then you have 10 more seconds to get to know with these new informations here, and then just tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.